Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto E7i Power and I will show you the speaker sound quality test of this device. So let's open the YouTube. We just closed the application, but let's open this one more time. And we are going to make the test on this sound. So let's start. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.